guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you how to cook these delicious turons with only 3 ingredients and some oil. My turons, all you need is some very ripened plantains, some egg roll wrappers, brown sugar, and some oil for frying. Some people do put jackfruit in theirs, but we prefer just the plantains. First, we are going to peel our plantains. Now we are going to cut our plantains in half. Then we're going to split them down the middle. And then we are going to cut these. Now that we have our plantains cut into small pieces, it is time to wrap them. We need a bowl of water for this process. We will take some of the brown sugar and put it into a bowl. We will take a plantain, roll it in the brown sugar, take a wrap. You will roll the plantain in the egg roll wrapper, wet it just a little bit, put it back into the brown sugar, and then set it on a plate and wrap the rest. And you will continue this process until all of your plantains have been wrapped in the egg roll wrappers. Now that we have all of our plantains rolled inside of our egg rolls and they've been sugared, it is time to fry them. Now you want to put about a ½ inch of oil in your skillet. And then you want to turn it onto a medium-low heat. Now that our oil is heated up, you will fry these in a pan on all sides. You want to brown them on all sides. Do not crowd the pan or it will not brown correctly. This side has browned, you will turn it and brown it on the other side. Now that these have browned on this side, I will take them out and rest them on a plate with a paper towel on it, and then I will get another batch in. Now I have my last batch in, and you do not have to cook these very long, maybe 2 to 4 minutes in total. We eat our turons with just some whipped cream, but you can really eat it just by itself. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment down below what you want to see me cook next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.